Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday. Anyway, I'll be reviewing this wig, this crochet wig I made. And I cut those white tips off. It's the gray and it had the real light gray tips. And I don't know, nobody's had it grow that way. So I cut the tips off. So this is the look I was going for, and I haven't even tried it on, so I don't know what it's going to look like on me. But anyway, I had the 8-inch pre-looped passion twist crochet hair. I got it from Amazon, and that's the color, tea gray. And I got the wig cap, the free tress lace part wig cap, crochet cap. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all the construction of the wig cap. And I wound up closing the part up because it didn't look right. So that's the lace part. But I closed it up with the hair. So this particular cap has a comb on each side of the part and a comb in the back. No adjustable straps. That's the way it looks inside. I didn't bring my wig grip. And I don't like attaching these combs because these combs hurt. These little bitty combs. Y'all see that? Well, they hurt on my other wig. Okay. It was supposed to be a right side part, and I usually wear my part on the left side. But since there ain't no part, I'm just gonna put it on. Like I said, I haven't even tried it on yet, so hopefully it'll fit. I am attaching this comb in the back. I want the, what's that look that people be having? Twist out look? I can't get that. Let's let that go on. Let it go the way it wants to go. Okay, I'm liking the look. This is the way the coils look. And I did take some of the hair. I divided it into 2 or 3 pieces. And I left some. Okay, this one has been divided. This one hasn't. You can see the difference. I think I'm liking it. With the white tips on, I was looking like a Raggedy Ann, an old grandma Raggedy Ann. Okay, I'm liking this look. It's very, very, very different for me. Let me know what y'all think. Can I rock this look or not? And I don't know what else I need to do to the wig. Let me turn around so y'all can see. And I had cut the length too. It was hanging way down on my neck and I didn't want it long. Okay. Turn around. Left side. Back. It's very lightweight. And I think it came with 7 packs of hair. I think I used 6. It's very lightweight. I'm surprised. So this is the Crochet Passion Twist wig. So since I cut off about this much of the light gray tip, so I guess this is about 5.5 inches now. So I closed up the part completely. So I didn't need to pay extra for a lace part wig cap. Okay. I do like it. I think I like a little something hanging like that. So, wait for my DoorDash order to come. I ordered from Popeyes. I decided to try the ghost pepper wings. Kind of scared. Okay, so this is what I got for Week Wednesday. My own do-it-yourself crochet wig. I like it. Okay, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Still trying to get the feel for it, because I ain't never worn my hair like this before, ever. But I do like the twist out look on other people. My hair don't do that. Oh, my earrings ain't showing. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bye.